Good morning, good morning, good morning. You join me here at the Grand Weston rail station. And I'm here before we go down to the Weston Beach race, which is currently ongoing, and the main race starts at 1 o'clock. But I'm here to meet a very special guest. I'll catch up with you in a second, see who that is. So we're heading down to the beach race now. We're in Weston. Adam's with us, along with the gang. Just a couple of very quick things to mention. It's quite funny, really. Yesterday, so I was at the local recycling centre doing my bit for the planet, recycling all the stuff that nobody else will take. And a chap came up to me and he just said, "Really appreciate your videos and enjoy them. Thanks very much, and keep doing the good thing," which is great. So thank you, Matt. I really appreciate that. And then yesterday afternoon we spoke about meeting Adam. My daughter turned around to me and said, "Who's Adam?" And I said, "You know, Epic Adam." And she said, "We're meeting a celebrity." I mean, I know I can't compete with his quality and grace, but I think even Adam was a bit shocked when I told him he'd been called a celebrity. Right, there's 3 there, okay?
All right.
Well, we've got a little spot just on the end of the start-finish straight, or the main straight. We're going to keep it there, and then what we'll do is I'll turn the camera back on just for the straight, or the start of the race, so you can enjoy that. It'll be noisy. I just hope we manage to pick it all up on camera and it doesn't distort too much, and then we'll go on to the dunes once the race has actually started properly. Just so we have evidence, I bought Adam chips.
Oh, we did it.
There is now no doubt that Adam has had his chips.
I've come away from the track a little bit, so hopefully you can hear me okay. It's getting close to the end now. It's a 3-hour endurance race, and I mean, you see some of the guys now, they've had it, they've just got no energy left, but they're doing so well, so well. This is just amazing. Look at this guy here now. He's having to lift his bike out of a rut so he can carry on riding. And after nearly 3 hours of riding, I suppose you got much in the tank left to be able to do that. These guys are animals. I don't even like taking the bike out in the rain, let alone do this. Jesus Christ. Well, look, I'm going to call it there so I can enjoy the end of the race. Appreciate if you've watched something a bit different, but it's been absolutely spectacular. I'm just going to go down here now. I'll show you one final shot of the main straight as they all come down here at full pelt. There's an awful lot going on. Be very wary because there's bikes and cars everywhere. Look, stay safe, especially if you ride bikes like these. Take care, have fun, but most of all, I will catch you on the flip side.